Lower back strength is an important component of sports conditioning. The ability to maintain a rigid lumbar spine under a load is critical for both power transfer and back safety. The deadlift builds back strength better than any other exercise, bar none. And back strength built with the deadlift is useful. While the bar is the most ergonomically friendly tool for lifting heavy weights, a 405-pound barbell deadlift makes an awkward 85-pound box much more manageable.
Gosh, it sounds like having a strong back's important. I feel like I want to deadlift, but I don't want to throw my back out. Sounds like I need the help of a qualified coach. Welcome back to the Strength Company. So, you want to learn how to deadlift? Well, you've come to the right place. It's a simple lift. We're just picking up heavy stuff off the ground, but there's a right way to do things and a wrong way to do things. I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to make sure that you are deadlifting correctly. First step is stance. Go ahead and stand hip width apart with your shins 1 inch away from the bar. Point your toes out 15 degrees. Good. The bar is now right over the middle of your foot. Step 2, grip. Keeping your legs as straight as possible, bend over, grab the bar just outside your legs. Very good. Step 3, without moving the bar, go ahead and drop your hips, bringing your shins until they touch the bar. All right, now we're gonna straighten that rounded back out by squeezing your chest up as hard as you can. Put wrinkles in your shirt. Good. Now drive your feet through the floor while dragging the bar up your leg. Good. Now stare down at the middle of your foot, put the bar right back down over the middle of your foot. Good job. We're gonna practice those 5 steps on the next 4 reps. Let's go ahead and do it again. Start with your stance. Keeping your legs straight, take a grip. Don't move the bar, but drop your shins to touch the bar. Squeeze your chest up, drag. Good. Back down, step back, step forward, stance. And back down. Good. All right. Take a quick breather, and we're gonna do a set of 5 all the way through next set. All right, go ahead and go through your 5 steps. We're gonna do a set of 5 here. Start over. Remember, do not move the bar. All right. On you. Don't yank it off the ground. Slow squeeze on this next rep. Much better. Back down. Squeeze the chest up. Good. Last one. And done. Good job. All right, that was a great first deadlifting session. I know it wasn't easy, but deadlifting isn't about doing what's easy. You're on your way to a stronger and healthier back and a stronger and healthier life. I'll see you again in our Zoom online coaching.